Hello, I'm Shannah Warwick from Black Boots, and I'm a fashion designer and teaching artist. I've been using wool and fiber techniques for about 15 years now, and I'm super excited to show you how I use both natural and commercial dyes to create really interesting patterns in fabric, and then incorporate wool, which is a way of sculpting the clothes more so than sewing them. I'm going to show you the felting techniques that I use to create all of my fashion pieces. I'm super excited for you to see how you can literally sculpt pieces into clothing. You can literally take wool and fabric, silk fabric, and sculpt it rather than sew it. You don't have to know how to use a sewing machine in order to make clothes. You can literally sculpt them. And I'm super excited for you to be here and watch that whole process with me.